Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. I thought I would just continue along with the displacement switch. I've covered a lot of the switch nodes and it pretty much does what you think it's going to do. It switches the displacement. So I've exported out these height maps from Displacement. So I have an RGB image, goes into a texture displacement and it goes into the displacement switch. Input value 1, I've done the exact same with a different displacement map and I'm putting this into input 2. Now we can add more values if we really want here, but I'll just stick to 2 at the moment. And obviously with the input we can change the displacement type, so something like this. We can keyframe this, we can add drivers. What I've done up here is I've just quickly set up a texture switch. And I've just got an integer value and I'll just plug this into the input here. And I'll just plug this into the input here. And that'll let me switch both of these values over at the same time, so I can go to 1 for example. And that really is how to utilise switching nodes. Pretty cool, pretty easy. Do me a favour guys, you know what to do. Take care.